The Sun appears to have been awakened from its slumber by a shocking X-class solar flare, the most powerful solar flare. A solar flare is a powerful explosion on the Sun that shoots energy, light and high-speed particles into space. The eruption is often associated with a geomagnetic storm called a coronal mass ejection. This dramatic flare originated from sunspot region 3912 and peaked on December 8. It was accompanied by a coronal mass ejection, a large cloud of magnetic field and plasma from the Sun. When ACME, also known as a solar storm, strikes Earth's magnetosphere, it can trigger active geomagnetic storm conditions and produce impressive auroras. The auroras could appear midweek after the first strong X-rated solar storm in recent weeks. Satellites in Earth orbit detected a Class X to solar storm in early December 8, 2024. If there is an Earth-triggered coronal mass ejection after that, it could be reflected as an aurora within a few days. Though it occurred after a quiet period on the Sun, Sunday's X-flare is exactly what solar physicists expected. According to space weather, solar activity has been low for over a week, but something was expected to change this weekend as a sunspot called 3917 continues to grow larger and more complex. The website said there are 2 sunspots with unstable magnetic fields that could cause more X-flares next week. NASA and NOAA, as well as the U.S. Air Force Weather Agency, among others, constantly monitor the Sun for X-class flares and associated geomagnetic storms. Early warning could protect many satellites and spacecraft from the worst of the impacts.